The best way to make money, the best way to make high ticket sales is to talk to people. I know you might be saying, Kneller, I do not know what to say. I am too shy to talk to someone. Now I understand because I too am an introvert. It might not look like that, but I speak very little when I'm around other people. So it's not natural for me as well. But I'm going to show you this 4-step process, which has helped me. And I'll talk about this in the video, and I'll also talk about why this works. Also watch till the end. I'll show you how I'm making these high ticket commissions, what offers I'm promoting, and also how you can do this even without having these conversations. So stay tuned for that. If you do not know me, I'm Kneller Fernandes. I help busy people achieve time, location, and financial freedom through digital marketing, even if you have 1 or 2 hours to spare in a day. I spent thousands of dollars learning these techniques, and I will be showing it to you on this channel. So basically, I'm giving out all these secrets for free. So if that would interest you, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. So if you want to discover the secrets of high income conversation, comment, let's go, and let's get started. So first, to begin this, you would be initiating these conversations through social media or even through things like maybe an email. Now, as you build authority, people might start coming to you and asking you on your reels, on your posts, on your content, and they would be asking you how to achieve those goals you've been talking about. So to learn how to do that part of it at a high level, I'll be leaving a link somewhere around here, maybe on top somewhere, how to get these conversations started. So once say you got it started, this is what we're going to see in this video. So let's break down these 4 steps, what you need to do. So whenever you're having a conversation through social media, maybe even WhatsApp or email, these are the 4 steps you should be thinking about. So the first step is building rapport. So the first thing is to find common topics between you and the person you're talking with. This could be things like love for a dog, love for some pets, or even something like golf or something which you have in common with that person. And now this becomes easy on a platform like, say, Facebook or sometimes even Instagram, where you can see that person's content. You can see what that person is posting. On Instagram, if they have their profile open, then you can see. But on Facebook, it's very easy to find this out about somebody, and more difficult on places like TikTok and YouTube. If someone has DM'd you, you can directly ask them as to what their situation is. Are they doing a 9 to 5? Where are they from? What do they like, etc. So once you've got this initial rapport going, it's time to move on to the step 2 or the next phase of it. So in step 2, you're going to find out what they're struggling with. For example, it could be something with their business. You can ask them what's going on with their business. If it's a health niche, then you could be something like how long are they struggling with issues of weight. So this becomes easier if they have approached you. If they haven't, also you have to find your way onto the second step after you've talked to them and built a bit of rapport. Now from the step 2, we move on to the third phase of it, or the third step, where we're gonna look for what they are trying to achieve in life, what is their main goal, what are they striving towards. This could be something like having more energy for their kids or better finances and not wanting to live from paycheck to paycheck. So once you've got a little bit about their goals, about their ambitions, about where they want to be, you move on to step 4, which is the final step. Now you're going to bridge the gap with the product you are promoting. This could be an affiliate product. You're going to pose this product as a solution to get them from where they are, where they're struggling, to what goal they want to achieve. Obviously, you should be doing this ethically. The fact of the matter is your product should solve their problem. Only then you recommend it. Otherwise, you shouldn't be recommending that. For example, say it's a weight loss product and your product delivers healthy weight reduction. So you could be talking about how it has helped thousands of people to get from where they are to a healthy weight and having more energy to spend with their kids. Now here you're going to use the mirror technique. In other words, you're going to somewhat say the same words that they came out with to describe their problem and their goal. This helps them feel understood. So if you more or less mirror the same words that they talked about, this helps someone feel a little bit more understood. And this is deep psychology. So that's about it. These are the 4 steps. So don't worry if you don't get these conversations spot on the first go. It does take some time. It takes some practice, like any skill. And the more you do, the better you get at it. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments and I'll respond to them and even make new content or new videos to explain this further. So if you want to learn this at a high level and also see how you can have this conversation done for you, see the free training I will be leaving in the description below. And also you can see the product I'm promoting at this point of time. That gives me high ticket commissions, $500 plus commissions. So if you want to learn how to get content up to start these conversations, have a look at the other video I'm going to leave you, and I'll catch you in the other one.